Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today we'll be baking a cake. This is vanilla and dalgona cake. Let's look at the ingredients that we will need for this. To start with, we have here lemon juice, which we would need about 1.5 teaspoon. I have curd here, which is about 1/4 cup. Jaggery powder, which is about half a cup. I have milk powder, which is about 2 tablespoons. I have sugar here, which is about 1.5 tablespoon. Some extra milk to adjust the consistency. I have some choco chips for decoration purposes. Some instant coffee powder, which is about 1.5 tablespoon. Some baking soda, which is about half a teaspoon. Baking powder, which is about 1 teaspoon. Milk, which is about 1/4 cup. And here we have oil, which is about 1/4 cup. And we have some warm water, and here we have whole wheat flour, which is about 1 cup, and some vanilla essence. Let's start first with mixing the dry ingredients. So here I have about 1 cup of whole wheat flour. To this we'll add baking soda, baking powder, and our milk powder. We'll give it a mix and sieve it well. To this basically the wheat flour, I've added a pinch of salt. This is done. Now we'll form the dalgona coffee mix basically. So I have a bowl here, to which I'll add about 1.5 tablespoon of coffee powder. To this 1.5 tablespoon of sugar, and the same amount of warm water we need. So about 1.5 tablespoon of warm water. We want soft spikes, so we can either whisk or use an electric beater to whisk it well. So I will use an electric beater since I want to get this thin thing fast. You can use a whisk also. That's also completely fine. Getting the soft spikes now. You have to whisk till this stage. You can see the soft spikes. You have to whisk till this stage. Now we'll keep this aside, and we'll take another bowl, to which we'll add our curd. To this we'll add our jaggery powder. Milk. I've already preheated my oven. So start whisking again all these ingredients till all this thing is mixed well. So this is done. Now to this we'll add oil and about 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. You can add vinegar in case you want. Again, we mix it to form one homogeneous liquid. You can adjust the jaggery powder as per taste or the sweetness that you like. To this we'll add the sifted flour. We'll do it in 2 batches. We'll give it a gentle mix. We don't want too much air to be formed. So use cut and fold method. Just give it a mild stir. And then the next batch. Mix till you see one good amount of the batter coming in together basically. So this is how the consistency of the batter looks. I have added about another 1/3 cup of milk to adjust the consistency, but you can use as per the flour consistency that you have, but it should be flowy like this. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll take a cake tin, take half the batter, pour it in, level it up, give it a tap, put some choco chips, again we'll take half the dalgona mix that we have made, put it in the next batter. We'll take half of it, we don't need full. Mix it. Mix it well. This is done. Now we'll add the rest on the top of it. Spread it. You don't have to mix the batter, just spread it. So we have put in the second spread on the top. Now the same thing, put in some choco chips on the top. Or if you like to put in some walnuts, they are a great mix with 1-2 tap. Walnuts are a great mix with coffee, so you can just put in. I'll put it inside in my preheated oven for about on 180 degrees for about 30 minutes till a skewer comes out clean. If the skewer doesn't come out clean, you can bake it for another 5 minutes. Our cake looks baked now. Let's remove it from the oven. Let's insert a skewer to see if it is clean. We'll allow it some cooling time and we'll keep it covered so that the moisture is intact. Now our cake has cooled down. Let's demold it. First we'll release the edges. After this, we'll just put a plate over it. And it's done. This is how the cake looks. What we have to do now is take a skewer, poke inside, take some honey, pour it over it. So I have taken about 2 tablespoons of honey. Once this is done, we have our Dalgona mixture that we had kept. So on the top we'll put this. This looks done. Now I have some dark chocolate here. I'm gonna just take a grater and grate it on the top. And our cake is ready. Let me cut out a piece for you guys to see how the cake has turned out. Thank you friends for watching my recipe. I am really receiving some very good comments over my cakes and cookies and other savory items that I've been doing. I keep I'm liking to bake healthy for and sharing those recipes with you guys. Thank you so much. Keep liking my recipes, keep subscribing to my channel, and of course press the bell icon to get the notifications. Thank you so much.